Alright guys, so we're doing an old kit switch. I think the Lucky Reds are what's wrong with me today. I had the blacks on.
They weren't doing it for us.
I got my Lucky Undies on.
The Lucky Undies.
And Chaz's text, so
yeah.
we're not feeling too good today on the track, on the bike, not feeling comfy, but we're gonna try to make something happen. Trying to come out with the dub, you know?
The bike's looking good. We got Austin with a camera. We got Olson.
Say what's up.
He's got my old Tech 10s on. I'm out for the day, so.
I'm cameraman. We didn't bring our new cameraman because I don't know what he's doing. I think he was sleeping.
He said family stuff.
Family
I don't believe
stuff.
him though.
So he's already slacking on the job.
Yep, that's no pay raise for that. That's a deductible.
Might need some applications. Need some new faces in here. Now we're gonna see that food truck over there. Damn. See that food truck over there? That kid's crazy.
Yeah, he's very
We're
good.
trying to get some clips up here.
Yeah, he's sick. Mr. Winker.
Yeah, I think it's.
We're out here posted up on the pitter at the pitter track. Got some rides going on. Eastman made some changes. This used to be the little table, but now it's like super sharp corner in the table. So pretty hard. No one can jump it so far. Almost dropped the bike.
Oh, me cleaning. Happy. Oh my god, you stupid.
Alright guys. Chaz was supposed to be the filmer, as he said in the video. He said, I'm a film today. Yeah. He didn't really film much.
I didn't film.
But we're at the shop, Nate's shop, working on the bike, the old 07.
Water pump took a shit, leaking coolant out the little wee hole down there.
Yeah, we're gonna fix her up and get her good for the weekend. We're gonna go back to East Bend, and Chaz how's the shoulder feeling, dude?
A little sore today, honestly. I'm probably gonna be cameraman again this weekend. No riding yet.
No,
I'm not ready.
give it about another week and a half, 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Should be
probably.
straight. Get some push-ups in.
Some push-ups, dude. It'd probably pop
I feel
out.
like this bolt's gonna be like so.
Dude, I
dry.
shot a rifle today, and I think it came out of socket. Dude, it kicked so hard. I have a bruise. It hurts.
I think you're just
Look
a
at that
pussy.
bruise, dude.
No bruise.
Well, it feels like it. Oh, it's so tender.
I think you're just a little bitch.
Fuck you.
Let's get some close in. We got the pry bar, the big papa. You want me to pry for you? While you beat.
I don't know, bud.
I'm jerking it, bro. She came out a little bit.
Huh?
So she looks
There's
pretty
no
dry.
lube. It's just dry as a bone.
She looks dry, dude.
No. Dry as a bone? Yeah, try some WD.
WD-50.
69. 69.
69.
I'll put a W.
He got the WD-50, the new edition. It's like the Perk 30, but Chaz knew how to get out the whole time, but he's watching us struggle.
Fucking kid. You better watch out.
The hammerhead.
I'll cry.
This is the
Because the hammerhead's coming tonight.
This is the hammerhead. I know
A
this.
little bit more pride.
You're watching us struggle the whole time, dog.
I'm a fucking genius.
Are you?
Yep.
We got Chaz on the board. Let's get an ollie going.
Ollie, I don't even know how to do that.
He's stressing.
Top slide, 3 steps.
Huh?
Top slide jump.
Dude, I can't do all that, man.
Let's see if I can kick for it.
I wrote it.
First try on the kickflip. Oh, he's smooth with it. Oh!
Damn. Oh, and to shove it. He's clean.
I don't skate anymore.
He's retired.
I've never skated anymore.
Oh, we're making some progress. The case is back on.
About done. You gotta put the Kickstarter back on.
This should be ready
Those.
for the weekend. What's going on with it? Oh, KX.
The pitter is gone, dude.
She's getting sold today. How you feel about it?
She was good.
Good pitter.
She taught me a lot, but it's time for something better.
Oh, yeah. What are we thinking?
I'm thinking a 125.
What do you think, Corey?
What we doing? I mean, did you,
Can you even see that?
where we gonna get some wheels?
That's on him.
I'm giving him.
We got a little off-road action. We got the mini truck over there. Over here at Biscuit's house. Some dirt bikes and mini trucks.
Shit got right.
Got Biscuit on the 110. Got a lit up pitter track on a Friday night. What could be better? It's going in. Oh shit. Dude, he is shredded. Biscuit, hit the jump.
What?
Hit the jump.
Fuck, dude! Did you see the beginning of that thing?
What?
Have you seen it,
What's wrong with it? I'll jump it.
dude? Look at this thing.
What?
You know how sketchy this is gonna be?
Come on, dude. Just jump it. Look. Oh!
My turn now.
Oh, he said it's his turn now. Pretty good. Oh! Oh! The loop out. It's pretty slick, ain't it? Okay, he hit the first one. Oh! Damn. Damn, he's a ripper. He's got a dirty butt. Looks like he shit his pants. Oh! Oh, he's going crazy. Damn. Going a little too crazy. He's like straight good. Oh, fuck you.
Bro, get me on my fucking YouTube.
We got the mini truck on the tabletop. What's going on?
Yeah, boy.
He's going for it. Oh. Oh, oh. Dude. Oh, man. Hey, can I get in?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You don't care if this goes on YouTube, do you? Alright, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Right hand drive, too. Oh! 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 Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god! I feel like I should have my seatbelt on.
Fucking seatbelt.
Fucking seatbelt. Oh man, we got airtime.
Yeah, we did. I sent it a little too fucking hard, bud.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh. Where'd he go?
He stalled out.
All right, round two. How we feeling about it?
We're about to find out.
Oh shit. This thing's a trooper. Oh. We don't even know where we're going. a monster. Into the berm. Taking the inside. Oh, whipping her around.
Oh, fuck, there's a hole.
Around the jumps. Whoa, we're Tokyo drifting. Damn. This guy's got the skills to pay the bills. Oh! I was expecting that to hurt again.
I was too.
I was clenching.
Yeah, the same kind of thing. I don't want you going too far back.
Right.
You start pushing too far back, then it puts a lot of strain on the front of your shoulder. So we're just trying to kind of keep things neutral. Very good. Yep, just like that.